Hello everyone and welcome back. Today's topic is how to use mobile phones when your CA exams are just 3 months away. Yes, mobile phone is a very big addiction in today's time and we all fall prey to it. So, here is a very interesting method by which you can use mobile phones to the optimum and study with maximum productivity. This system is a reward system. We all have to study for 10 to 12 hours each day in order to clear our exams in upcoming 3 months. In this reward system, for every 2 hours of study, you get a 15 minutes mobile break. See to it that you stay loyal to yourself and use it only for 15 minutes and get back to your studies after the break is over. If you have low concentration level, you can use this reward system as 1.5 hours of study and you get a 10 minutes mobile break. You can increase the hours for practical subject. During this mobile break, you can listen to music or scroll down on social media or do whatever you like. Once the timetables are fixed, you have to set alarms for your mobile break. So you have a track of time and also efficiently use your mobile break and study well. All the best for your exams. Thank you for watching.